A car plowed into a parked SUV that was guarding President Joe Biden's motorcade Sunday night while the president was leaving a visit to his campaign headquarters. The president and First Lady Jill Biden were unharmed. In the past, there have been many attempts to attack the president of the states. Previously, many US presidents have been attacked while in office, and many more have faced serious attempts on their lives. Presidential assassinations, both successful and unsuccessful, were usually politically motivated. However, some assassins were mentally ill or acted without a known purpose. Almost every presidential assassin was captured after their attempt and executed or imprisoned. Who are the 4 assassinated presidents of the US? Abraham Lincoln. On April 20, 1865, President Abraham Lincoln faced the tragic fate of becoming the first US president to be assassinated. John Wilkes Booth shot Lincoln in the back of the head while he was attending a play at Ford's Theatre in Washington, D.C., just days after the conclusion of the Civil War. Following the shooting, Lincoln was swiftly taken to a nearby residence where doctors attended to him. Despite their efforts, Lincoln remained in a coma for 8 hours before succumbing to his injuries the following morning. James Garfield. In less than 4 months into his presidency, James Garfield faced an assassination attempt when Charles Gateau shot him at Washington, D.C. Railroad Station on July 2, 1881. Garfield suffered 2 gunshot wounds, one in the back and another penetrating through. Despite surviving for 3 months, Garfield succumbed to his injuries on September 19, 1881, following inadequate medical care. The assailant, Gateau, was captured and later sentenced to death by hanging. The trial revealed his mental instability and his motive of seeking revenge for not being appointed as the ambassador to France by the president. William McKinley. On September 6, 1901, President William McKinley faced an assassination attempt when anarchist Leon Zolgorsk shot him twice during a musical event in Buffalo, New York. The first bullet was ineffective, but the second penetrated his stomach. McKinley succumbed to the gunshot wound-related gangrene 8 days later on September 14, 1901. John F. Kennedy. President John F. Kennedy was assassinated in Dallas, Texas on November 22, 1963 in his presidential motorcade while riding alongside his wife, Texas Governor John Connally, and his wife Nellie. Former Marine Lee Harvey Oswald Kennedy fired upon Kennedy's vehicle from a 6th-floor building, which struck the president in the back and head. People have plotted to assassinate the president for nearly as long as the US has existed as a republic. There's no record of an attempt on George Washington's life while he was president, but an assassination plot was thwarted in 1776. The first recorded attempt on a president's life occurred on January 30, 1835, when English-born house painter Richard Lawrence attempted to shoot Andrew Jackson. Theodore Roosevelt, who became the president when William McKinley was assassinated, barely survived the attempt on his own life on October 14, 1912. Roosevelt had already left office but was trying for a 3rd term as an independent. He was speaking at a hotel in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, when he was shot in the chest at close range by Bavarian saloon keeper John Fleming Schrank. Giuseppe Zangara attempted to kill President Franklin Roosevelt on February 15, 1933, just as the president wrapped up a speech in Miami's Bayfront Park. "Honey, I forgot to duck." That's what President Ronald Reagan told his wife, Nancy, as he was being wheeled into an operating room after John Hinckley Jr. shot him outside the Hilton Hotel in Washington, D.C. on March 30, 1981. There have been recorded attempts on the lives of most presidents in the modern era, including George Bush, Barack Obama, and Donald Trump. It was a close save for US President Joe Biden after a car collided with a parked SUV that was part of Biden's motorcade in Delaware's Wilmington on Sunday night. The incident happened when Biden and First Lady Jill Biden had just left after a visit to his campaign headquarters. Meanwhile, sources have said that there could be a different mastermind as the arrested accused are changing their statements to the police constantly.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.